up guys, Doug here. For tonight's steak night, we're going to try barbecuing out in the cold. Got a nice big heavy snowstorm out there. We're going to jump right in and we're going to do a charcoal barbecue tonight. My wife told me there's no way we can do it. So the first challenge is going to be finding the barbecue out with all the heavy snowfall. I'm going to go ahead and clear off the deck so we can bring it up under the gazebo and at least get a little bit more protection. Of course, with all the snow around, I found a really great way to clean the barbecue. Well, we don't have the warm weather all year round like our friends to the south for barbecuing. We can always get out no matter what the weather. Even in a cold, snowy night like tonight, it was a lot of fun to get out and barbecue. With the help of the gazebo to keep the snow off and the trusty charcoal barbecue, it was really a pretty good night for barbecuing. Living on the East Coast, we always have lots of great seafood around, so I decided to do a few shrimp and scallops with this one as well, along with the sauteed onions and mushrooms, and of course baked potato on the side. Hope you enjoyed the snowy steak night and barbecuing out in the snow. If you did, please give us a like and think about subscribing for more videos like this below.